isn't time to waste. We have to get this video done before the contest is over. Also, before my eyebrows peel off. Charles Henry here. And today, I'm gonna show you what you need to build your own gun. You've got your receiver, barrel, trigger mechanism. Have a spring back here, maybe a little handle right there, the butt stock on it, and maybe have yourself a little handle right here. And makes it very ergonomical. Butt stock saves your gun from flying out of your hand when you fire it. So you've got your receiver. I before E, except after C, except when sounding like A, as in neighbor and way. Ha! Who knew you were going to get a grammar lesson today, too? This is your barrel. And right here is your firing mechanism. So let's get to work. Pile of metal that I'm gonna use to make my gun. We've got some old parts, car door. We've got an engine. There's a gas piston from an AK, little AK receiver that I made. We've got a cylinder that fits into a pipe that fits into a barrel somehow. We're going to take this breech plug and insert it into here and just give that a good tap. Getting that one all the way through. We're going to take our tin snips. We're going to cut just a little bit around here. Put that in there. Like that. Tap it lightly this time. And we're going to just... That didn't work either. Alright. That was getting a little out of hand. It's a lot harder than it looks on TV. And alright, so now it's supposed to look like that, okay? And then we're gonna pull these out. Here, let's just tap them out. Okay. Then we're gonna give it a good whack from above. I had some tape on here to keep it in place better. Tape probably isn't the best thing to use for a gun build. Look, this is going to be great. See, so I've already pre-drilled my hole in there. We're just going to screw that on, just like that. This isn't going quite as well as I thought it would. Got our fire. And we're just going to... Oh, I didn't expect it to go. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board on this one. We're just gonna hit it with my favorite paint, the hammered metal paint. So just spray that on there, kind of like that. And we've got a couple more things to do, but it's almost finished. Charles Henry here, and sometimes after a long day of gun making, you just have to crack open a cold beverage. That's good. I finished the gun. You know, the majority of it I got on tape for you. So now for the big reveal. Ta-da! I know it's not perfect, but it functions, and that's all that matters. You know, a lot of people had asked me why, why did you put this little decorative piece on the side? Not only do I like my guns to be functional, but I like them to be attractive. So that's why. You know, I think this is going to be pretty good. But I'm real happy how it turned out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next Thursday.